Hello all my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to create a calculator on code.org. Okay, so let's begin. So I opened code.org, but if you still don't have code.org on your laptop, please search in your Chrome tab as code.org and then you can sign in with your email ID or your parents' email ID. Okay, so today we are going to create the calculator in app lab. Okay, so when you will click on this create button, you will get this app. Right now, artist game lab, app lab, name lab and dance party. So we are going to click on app lab. Click on it. Okay. And now this is the screen. As is known as similar to the mobile, it looks. Yeah. So we are going to design the app. First, we're going to design that. So first, what we have to do, we have to design the app. Next, we have to code the app. And no, sorry. First, we have to think the theme of the app. What app we are making today, and then we have to design the app according to our theme. And then again, we have to code the app, and then we are going to run and check through this button. Okay. So let's begin. So I'm going to choose a different background color. I'm clicking on this background color here. So I want the background color to be this. Okay, my favorite color is pink, so I chose the background color as pink. Okay, so now I'm going to what do we do? And now I'm going to. So then I'm going to drag a text input from design toolbox over here. Okay, so I have to decrease the size. Okay, like this you can decrease and increase, and I want a duplicate of this. I want to duplicate by clicking on this. You will get similar. Okay, I'm going to drag it over here. Okay, now both the text inputs are over here. Now I want a text area over here. Okay, and I want to increase its size so that it looks better. And I want the background color of it to be white. Okay, and I want border radius to be 5, and like this it is over here. Okay, and now we have to rack some buttons. Okay, as we are going to create a calculator. So like this, and to just remove the text, and I want this to be. I want many more buttons, and buttons. Total 4 buttons I wanted. Okay. So I dragged and duplicated the 4 button. Okay, see these all are the 4 buttons, and I want to change the color also. Okay. So the color is over here. By clicking on this, you can get many colors. You want the color to be this, and you want this color to be this. This color to be this, and I want this color to be this. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to select the text. So I want it as first we're going to do as plus font size 25, do font size to 25, and over here do this also to 25, and do this also 25. Okay, now again I have to write over here. So second I want is the minus. Okay, third I want it as the multiplication. Okay, and as in my keyboard I don't have the division sign, so I'm going to choose the slash as the division. Okay, so we have created it, and let's rename it. Okay, so where's the other button? I just don't know. I think we do get lost. Okay, no worries. Okay, so this is, I did it as plus, yeah. So now I'm going to rename it as add, okay? Subtract, okay? This is multiply. Oh, multiply, okay. And this one is, division, okay. So we have done the designing part. Let's go to the coding part, okay. So, we're going to write this over here. The ID should be add, means this. So, not division, sorry, add, this one, add. And I want to set text, this set text over here. ID should be text area 1, this. And from the maths, I'm going to drag the plus over here. And from UI controls, get number. And another get number in this side. Okay, ID is text input 1, this. And another is text input 2, this. Okay. So now let's check how it works. Suppose my number is 10. This is 10. 20 came. But something of the other, I want the font size to be 25. This also 25 and this also 25. And this should be comic. This comic. This comic. Alignment center. Alignment center. And this also center. Okay. So let's run. So I want a 5 and 5 plus. See, 10 came, isn't it? So now I'm going to do on event over here. So my ID is subtract, set text again. ID should be text area 1 as always. Maths is this subtraction sign. Then we all get number over here. And don't be confused with the get text, this one, and the get number, okay? So read it properly while doing it. And set text and set number, okay? So now let's do subtraction. I want 10, 0. So, isn't it? So now two things are left, multiplication and division. So multiply and again set text. ID is text area 1. From math, this is the multiplication sign over here. This one, okay. Then UI control, again I want to get number. Get number. Text input 1. Put 2. So let's run and check. Suppose my number is 2 into 2. See 4. And over here, I'm going to write it as division, set text, text area 1. Again from maths, as our sign is this for division, and UI controls, get number, ID is text input 2, not 2, sorry, text input 1, and this over here, text input 2, and over here, the function I'm going to write it as divide, okay, divide. So let's run and check. Suppose I'm going to divide 5 and 10. It came like this, you know why? Wait. So 5 2 is a 10. And then we are going to do 14, sorry. 4 and this would be 2. And let's divide it. So, isn't it? So this is so easy calculator that it just we created in such a less time. Okay, I'm going to rename it as calculator. Okay, I'm going to save it. Okay, so isn't it? Please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more and more updates from my channel. Thank you.